Do you want to plan for today's trade? Hi, I'm CA RUDRAMURTHY, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to this pre-market report. Yes, the move in Nifty has been fabulous from levels of around 15,650. We crossed easily 16,250 last week, and then market started consolidating. Now you have to understand, we can see time wise consolidation because price wise the move has been very steep, and in fact I was telling markets will go up and I am not bullish but super duper bullish. And what we saw there was a big short covering rally, and market went and tested our targets of 16,200 decisively, easily, and now from there market is taking time wise correction. So the big question now, what next? Two important data to watch out for today and which has already come in market is results of TCS and how the upcoming result season can plan out, and what is also happening to crude oil prices. Crude oil prices now are back again to $106 per barrel, and now I feel crude will also make some time wise consolidation, and strong support to crude is at around $96 to $98 per barrel on Brent crude. So right now one has to also keep in mind that crude prices will have a straight impact on our market for medium to longer time frame. Also crucial, TCS results which came out post market hours last week was definitely slightly below expectation, and TCS will see some amount of profit booking. One has to understand, even though strengthening dollar and weakening rupee is good for IT stocks, you can't just take decision based on this one data of rising dollar and falling rupee and start going long on IT stocks, because you have to also see whether they have the margin growth, whether results are good or bad. All this also plays a very important role. No doubt the strengthening dollar will always be good for IT companies which have lot of dollar receivable. Now the question comes, what next, and technically what levels to watch on Nifty? No doubt the resistance which was there at 16,200 is clearly met and some amount of profit booking is seen. SGX Nifty is already indicating a 100-point gap down around 16,100 we are opening today. I feel today as well as tomorrow some more profit booking will be there in market, and now 15,900 on Nifty future will act as crucial support. However, I feel in this 1 or 2 days of consolidation and slight dip in market, we can see lot of stock specific moves. Always what happens, first there will be a move from large stocks and slowly money starts flowing into mid and small cap. Definitely quality stocks will start outperforming and markets will be more result oriented. And for me, lot of mid and small cap stocks are providing mouth watering opportunity. Also, those of you who have missed my video, just go back and check the video on whether is it time to buy for long term investors, which I just did about a week back, and I clearly told the time and opportunity has already come and you can't now wait anymore. Don't look at just today's fundamental data and say how come today's market can go up, keeping in mind today's fundamental data. Do remember, market is always a future looking animal. When I say it is a future looking animal, that means based on what is or what can be looked forward or what can be expected 3 months, 6 months down the line, today's market will be reacting. So it is not today's market and today's fundamental you have to see, it is the expected change in future which gets discounted as of today in the market. Yes, again I am repeating, for 1 or 2 days you will see some amount of profit booking. Nifty can dip towards levels of 16,000 and 15,900, but I don't advocate shorting now for that 100 or 200 point correction, because you are going against the trend, number one point, and number two, your risk reward is definitely not favorable shorting this market. However, search for good stocks which can be bought in this market also, which can give great gains. In fact, any dip in market for next 1 or 2 days towards that level of 16,000 or 15,900 will be a great opportunity to buy some stocks, and it is now time for you people to relax and allow fools to trade in market. And I always say, every day no doubt market gives you opportunity, but every day you cannot or you may not find that opportunity. Put your money only when you have high probability trade and when risk reward is in your favor, or else just sit back and enjoy others trading in the market. So for me, this is the time to make the list of stocks which you want to enter on the time wise correction which might come in next 1 or 2 days, and that is where you can definitely look at taking again long position. So right now it is time to learn, time to unlearn, and time to relearn lot more things in market. Those of you who are waiting for investment into the longer time frame and you feel I have missed out, yes, this is the time where you have to get ready in this correction or profit booking what might come in next 1 or 2 days. Deploy your money and get ready to invest at that correction at least. And there are a lot of stocks which are very mouth watering levels which are available, and some of the good stocks on large cap which you can buy only on dip or correction is no doubt Bharti Airtel, Reliance Industry at levels closer to 2300 to 2350 will be a good range to start buying Reliance Industry even for a long-term portfolio. Bharti Airtel looks a great stock for me. Pharma will start outperforming even in coming days. Stocks like Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Divi's Lab, these are all great counters, including even Cipla, which can do well in coming days. But only thing is you have to time it properly and have patience to buy them only on dip. I'm sure this report has given you a great start for a profitable trading day. Thank you so much for watching. And also, how many of you here want me to do an in detail video on World, which was a cryptocurrency exchange which closed, and many people thought, why to put money in a bank FD to get 5.5% or 6% interest per annum when World was offering something like 12.5% per annum, which is more than double the normal FD rate, and that was also a fixed deposit. And lot of YouTube so-called market gurus, they are self-proclaimed babas who took money from common men for the sake of their sponsorship, and these people show their house tour, they show their cars, whatever is available, but all this is bought at the cost of common people's hard-earned money. So if you want me to make an in-detail video on World, what happened, what next, and what to those people who have been invested in this stock, what to do, so all this information if you want in detail, yes, you have to forward this video to as many people as possible and comment if you want that down, and join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. And if I see minimum of 10,000 views for this video, then immediately I will try to come out with that video on World, what next, and those who are stuck, what to do. If you want a simple in detail video, do right now forward this video to as many people as possible and comment down. Thank you so much for watching and have a very profitable trading day. God bless you. Signing off, Rudramurthy.